Hey, Ezra Firestone here from smartmarketer.com, and I want to tell you, if you have an Amazon business, what you need to be focusing on outside of Amazon is generating brand assets. Customer emails, Facebook Messenger subscribers, pixeled audiences, people who've seen your ads or watched your videos on social media who are now in an audience that you can follow up with ads, Facebook fans, YouTube followers, Instagram followers. You need to be building these brand assets, and then these are the folks who are engaged with you, who you can then sell products to when you launch products. See, the thing about Amazon is it's a lot like spearfishing. You're going out, you're doing BSR spikes, product launches, you're running sponsored ads, you're trying to sell today. And content marketing and paid amplification that generates email subscribers, Facebook Messenger subscribers, and followers through putting out video content and written content that you put in front of people that they engage with and consume and then learn about you, who you follow up with later. That is the equivalent of watering a mango tree. It takes a lot longer. You water the tree, it grows, but then it fruits for generations, for 50 years. So you want to be thinking beyond taking 10, 15, 20% of your time and using it to build assets that are not on Amazon. And the way that you do that is you create content that is topically relevant to your market, that is based around the shared experiences that your customer base is having. Here's an example. Let's say you sell kitchen knives. Your customers are sharing the experience of cooking. So you create content about knife skills. You create content about different recipes. You create content about the experience that the group of people who are buying your products is having, and you pay money, $5 a day, $10 a day, to put it out in front of them. And then the ones who consume, you track the consumption. You say, hey, Facebook, who's watched 50% or more of my video? And those are the people that you go out and try to sell your products to. It's slower. It's a slow growth approach. It's a longer term play, but it works and it builds assets that make your company more stable, way more valuable than if you just go out and try to sell products.